So these days, there are a lot of commands that have subcommands, and then oftentimes these subcommands have subcommands. And it can be hard to remember that structure. For example, Docker container run. It can be hard to remember that and remember all the commands that are available. It's even a hassle beyond that just to remember how to type that out, to have to type out all the letters of each of the subcommands and then the subcommands, and then the options as well. And so what I did initially was I set up some aliases like DCR, which would be Docker container run. And I set that alias up to expand into the actual command that I wanted, except that all happened behind the scenes. So if I typed out the alias, all I saw was DCR. And of course, I think it's useful to see what's actually being run. That way, I'm not wasting precious resources trying to remember the aliases that I came up with so much as I can see exactly what they expand into. And so what I did was I took the alias that I had and I wrote a little expansion tool that would blow that out into the actual command. So whatever the value of the alias is, that's what I would then show after I'd type the alias. And if I type an alias and hit a space, or type an alias and hit return, in either case that expands out before the rest of the processing for your line editor continues.